it just have a down day drop by around 1.5%. We discuss about the oversold level, and we also talk about this bump into the channel oversold right here. We're already there, touching that, almost touch the horizontal level. That's around 42.80 or 60 together with the channel oversold level. But what do we have here after the oversold? What we have is there's the buy on dip here. There's buyers coming in based on this 2 bar here. There's some demand in this hammer. Subsequently, there's an attempt to rally. This is still a weak rally, but this rally is better than nothing like previously. What we have here is intraday rally. The rally is getting better. And also another thing that we can take a look here is the progress to the downside. The progress to the downside right here, previously we have this much. And after that, it's kind of decreased to about half of that. Although this is still unfolding, I couldn't say that has finished, but the rally is getting better. The progress to the downside is getting better. The downside momentum is a bit exhausted, but we might see another final flash, a final push down. We could anticipate something like this to push it down to close to 4,200 to 4,250. That's another zone. And before we can see a sharp technical rebound. And from there on, it should form its own structure to consolidate or to try to form another wave. Let's see what kind of the structure will it have. So far, if we look at the level, the key level that we need to pay attention to is somewhere around here. 43.80 is the level that we need to pay close attention to. Anything below 43.80 is still bearish. So the swing is still down, the direction is still down until we see it can come in above 43.80, then everything is still down. The pathway that I anticipate is another final push to go into deeply oversold in conjunction with the price action and the market breadth before we see a sharp technical rebound, and then it can form its own structure before the resuming of the rally. This could coincide well with the seasonality in October because September is bearish, and that's expected as in line with the September seasonality, very choppy, bearish. Since September here, the index has dropped to, well, from 45.50 to about 4,300 or even below 4,300. That's quite a significant drop. We are close to that oversold level, deeply oversold level. And after that, we could anticipate the rally that will hold up well with the October seasonality. So far, I don't see any decent rebound. We see some stopping actions. The rally here is getting better, but still not good enough. So if we see another final push down, break below a lower low test before we see a meaningful rally. So far, this is not a meaningful rally. What we want is a meaningful rally, a change of character, and then to form its own structure. Let's see how it goes. In immediate term, I still anticipate it to go down to break below the low on this day. That's on last Wednesday. Once we have the breakdown, it could really go to test 4,250 or even 4,200. If you look at the horizontal support level, this is a horizontal support level right here. That's tons of the transaction right here. So it makes sense for the buyers to come in at this axis zone. This is where the previous resistance zone become the support. Watch out for that. And if we concentrate on those stocks that can outperform while the index is pulling back, when the index actually doing a rebound, a change of character wave, those stocks will also outperform and run faster and better as well. Pay attention to those which will run through that shortly during the US watch list section during the trading plan setup. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.